Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're checking out a tool which will help us convert designs made on a paper or just drawn out into an actual application in just one single click. And not only that, you can also prototype and animate all those elements. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. I am now doing one giveaway every single month on my Instagram. So make sure that you're following me there at Puneet Chawla Official. So for this, I'm going to take out a blank sheet of paper, and as you can see, just a clean notebook that I have, and I will draw out this basic little wireframe out here, and I might draw 2 or 3 of these so that we can test it out. Once you have drawn it and you are happy with the results, all you need to do is take a picture of each of these. Make sure that the picture is like a close-up of all these elements and the picture is of good quality also. So this particular tool is called uizard.io. Now, a lot of you guys might have heard of it, but recently it's got a major update which allows you to create even dark mode applications and very complex designs. And it also has introduced web design. So not only mobile applications, but you can now create proper websites with this tool. Let me know in the comments below and I will basically invite you to my team on uizard. Hopefully you have been able to draw out a user interface. If not, there is a guide here which says sketching guide, which allows you to see all the instructions that are required, everything which will work and everything which won't, so that you know before drawing what will work and what won't. So to get started, I will create a brand new project. Under this, it will ask you which device type you want. Right now, we've basically drawn out for mobile, but you can even draw out for desktop, which is very important. So for this, I'll just say test or something like that, prototype name, mobile, and it allows you to choose a theme. So if you want like a blue theme, like this adventurous turquoise theme or this cozy orange theme, you can choose one of these. I'll just go for adventurous here and I'll say create. After that, you will be greeted with a screen here and you can either add empty artboards or you can upload a wireframe, which is what we are going to do next. We can click on this also and it pops up with this. So I'll just import 2 to 3 screens that I have as paper wireframes, and they will basically start loading up here. It might take a second or 2 to process. Since AI technology is processing this, it might take like half a minute to actually process it. Now, as you can see, it has basically imported a basic UI design right here. I can zoom in and all the components are ready for us. We can basically select an element which we like and we can change the size, we can change what element this is. So if you want to change switch to checkbox, it'll do that almost immediately. Even for the text, we can set full width or fit to text. As you can see now, it's changed the way it looks. It's put it on the left, which looks much better. You can also upload and change any image that you want. I suggest if you want to create this into a high fidelity design, you can always export it as either code. So you can actually export it as HTML, React, Vue, and Angular. Or you can export it as a sketch file and just download the sketch file free of cost. Of course, sketch file you can import both into Adobe XD as well as Figma, so you don't really need to worry about that. Let's try out now the prototyping features that they are providing. So if you want to design just right here, you can do this. So maybe if I want to click on something and it takes me there, maybe if I click on this arrow here at the bottom and just drag out this arrow to the second artboard here, it will basically create a connection for me. And as you can see, animations are coming soon. So hopefully they'll be updating the animations library as well. So if I click on this and I say play, it should ideally play just the way I want it. So if I click here, it will take me to the other screen. You'll be able to create basic prototypes with this tool, and you can also comment here if you like. So you can leave a comment says this looks good. Want to show a preview, so I'll ask for the HTML and CSS and I'll say show code. And for the entire design, you will get the code upfront. So For example, the main page is this is the index.html, and it has all the elements that are required, including the text, font, and stuff like that. The best thing I like about this tool is it's a quick tool to create some quick prototypes and some quick designs. It has pre-made elements pretty much here. You have containers, you have fonts here, you have icons, and so much more that will help you get started with UI design. Especially if you're a beginner, such a tool will really help you out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up on this video. Also subscribe to the channel because I bring content every Monday and Thursday at the same time. I'll see you next time. God bless.